You know, guys, most of the time I get my inspiration when I walk, and I walk around the neighborhood for like an hour for exercise. And that's when I get some of the inspiration, when I think about creative things I can do with what I make. And one of the things that I was thinking about how to make a presentation for the salt dough ornaments that I just think they're so adorable, but you don't really get the impact when it's just hanging on a tree or it's just sitting around. I don't know. So I thought about how I can present this salt dough ornament, really cute Santa Claus with the bear and the bunny. So I came up with this. Hi you guys, so here is the wreath that I got from Michael's. This is the one that I'm going to use to display my ornament, salt dough Santa Claus ornament, and hang it outside outside my door. I found these string lights that I've had for years that I got from Daiso. It is battery operated. I need to find two batteries, two AA batteries, and then string it all around here. Try to find some small ornaments, Christmas ornaments that are Christmas balls, and just put it around here because I want the presentation to be the Santa Claus right in the middle. I don't want to put any other type of ornament that would take away from the main feature, the main focal point, which is Santa. And then I'm going to hang it outside on my door and have the lights at night. Make it so pretty. And I've been to the thrift store today to find just stuff that I'm not decorating this year because we're not going to be home for Christmas. We're going to be out of state. So let me get my battery real quick here. Hey. So cute. It's a little bit bluish. It's more like a bright blue, which is great because it's unique. Can't always have the white lights. So I tucked it into here. You see it? Right there. So, but it's going to be hanging like this. So the weight of it is just sitting on top right there. I'm gonna go grab my balls. Okay, so I found these balls that I haven't used. See, it's still on the package, so I'm just going to put them all over this. Well, now I know why I'd never used this, because they did not come with hangers. The bigger ones that are plastic did come with a little loop that you can string fishing line or something, but the rest of them, I don't know, I think they were just meant to put like in a bowl or a glass container to display, but I wanted to use it around, but I did not want to use glue to glue it on because I may have to change this wreath someday. So I strung fishing line using my needle and put hangers on them. I mean, that was the only thing that I could think of to rectify the situation.